Hey guys, what's up guys, this is me and I am back with another interesting video, and this video gonna be very interesting for you guys because in this video I'm gonna let you know that how could you develop a stunning and amazing e-commerce store from WordPress in depth. So maybe this video gonna be a long video. For that purpose I have made some timestamps in the description box, so make sure to check them out. First of all, for making a stunning e-commerce store from WordPress, you're supposed to have a separate hosting and a domain name. And for that, I'm going to recommend you a Namecheap hosting and a domain. Furthermore, you could choose a shared hosting for your first live e-commerce store on WordPress. So without wasting any time, let's get started. When you will install WordPress for the first time, the dashboard would be like this. Okay, now for the first step you are supposed to do, that is very much important that most of the people ignore this step. Okay, that is that you are supposed to hover in setting and just click on this permalinks, and over here you guys are supposed to click on post name and set this as a basic structure of your URLs or permalinks. Now I'm just going to click on save changes. Now you're supposed to install some plugins like Elementor and WooCommerce, etc. So I'm just going to click on add new, and over here first of all I wanted to install Elementor, so I'm just gonna type over here Elementor. Okay, now you're supposed to install this Elementor website builder. I'm just gonna click on install now, and now I'm just gonna click on activate. Have a look guys, our Elementor is installed. Now what we are supposed to do is to just hover on appearance, and now I'm just going to click on themes, and now you are having a choice of clicking this plus icon, or by clicking on this add new button you could install new themes or upload new themes on your site. Yeah, over here I'm just going to click or search over here Ocean WP, and over here I'm just gonna install this theme. Believe me guys, this theme is just amazing. You could say the best theme of WordPress. Okay, so I'm just gonna click on install, and that's it. I'm just gonna activate it. And so over here it would recommend you some plugin or a plugin named as Ocean Extra. You are supposed to install this plugin. Maybe that would be necessary, or just it is recommending, but we should install this plugin. Okay, that's it. Our plugin is now installed. Now we are supposed to click on this run the setup wizard. Okay, over here you are supposed to click on get started, and over here you would be having so many options to create an e-commerce store for your WordPress website for free of course. So I'm just going to click on e-commerce over here, and I am over here you would be having 3 themes, and I just personally like these 2 themes, and I'm just gonna click on this theme. First of all, let me show you that how our site would look like. Have a look guys, our site would be like this. That's really very cool. Okay, now I have selected the theme, and I'm just gonna click on this installer demo. Over here you guys would be having some plugins that are required for this theme, so I'm just gonna click on install now, install now, install now, and install now, and again install now. Over here guys, these 3 ocean sticky header, ocean Elementor widget, and ocean footer callout, these 3 are not necessary. If you wanted these plugins you could just click on get these add-ons to have them. Okay, that's it. Now I'm just going to click on import, so this theme would begin importing the demo data. Okay, so now our demo has been imported successfully. So now we are supposed to upload our logo over here, which I have made recently. Okay, now I would just click on upload files and just select my logo over here. That's it, guys. Our logo is uploaded. Now I just have to choose image, and I also have to upload a retina logo, so the same one. And okay, that's it, and we would manage it later. Okay, now I'm just gonna click on primary color should be black, like this, and hover color should be gray. That's it. Now I'm just gonna click on continue, and here you go, guys, our site is now ready. Okay, let me show you guys over here. Let's check our site. Okay, the logo is not looking that much. I'm pretty sure we could adjust the width and height from this customize icon. Okay, now we would customize it later, but our demo is just imported successfully. Now we are supposed to change the footer and these images from there, here, and from here also this slider we have to change totally. So what I'm gonna do, just click this customize to adjust the logo size and all this stuff. Okay, by clicking on site identity, we could just manage our site icon or fave icon, you could say. So I'm just gonna click this site icon, and I'm gonna select the latest image I have uploaded, means my logo of the site. Okay, so I'm just gonna click this falcon over here. Ah, that's pretty nice. Okay, that's it. I'm just gonna click on publish. Okay, now we will click on this pencil icon to edit our logo. Yeah, okay, I was pretty sure that there would be any option to manage the width and height. Okay, so that would be okay. That's nice. Yeah, that's really very amazing. So I'm just gonna click on publish. Okay, that's it. Our logo is now been adjusted, so I'm just gonna check that in mobile how our logo is looking. So I'm just gonna adjust it from here also. That's it, guys. Our logo is just looking amazing. Now what we are gonna do to we are supposed to manage these header menu from here. Just go to dashboard, and over here go to appearance and menus, and over here scroll down, and you're supposed to select main menu and select over here. I would recommend to delete this whole menu because you would not be able to delete every single which is over here, so just create a new one, name it as main, and that's it, guys. Create menu, and over here you are supposed to add the pages like a home page. First of all, let's add the home page, and then we are supposed to add the blog one, and then let's add the contact us page and the shop page. That's what we want for the header main menu, so it should be like this. That's it, guys. We are supposed to save this. Okay, it would look like this now. Have a look, guys. This is looking something stunning. Now we are supposed to edit the top bar. I'm gonna click on customize to edit these social media icons. Okay, to edit these social media icons, we are supposed to click on top bar over here, and we are supposed to select social, and over here, and I wanted to add the Facebook one in future, and then not Pinterest, not Dribble, Instagram, and not YouTube, not Vine, not RSS, and maybe LinkedIn. Where is LinkedIn? Okay, it would be right over here. Okay, here's LinkedIn. I would be adding this one. Okay, so now our header is just done, and we have to just change some images over here. We have to remove these demo posts from here in the blogging section. Firstly, we are supposed to edit footer. Let's edit this. Okay, feel free to. Okay, now I would be adding this. That will be okay. I just wanted to add it. Okay, phone number. That's it. Just hash over here also, so that our address and the phone number would be prominent or readable. Okay, that's it. Oh, the email I should add it. Elementor@reest.us. Reest.us. Okay, that's what we are supposed to do. Reest.us. And we are supposed to click on this publish button, and let's edit this. Let's remove this section from here. We would be adding the product menu, like over here we would be adding some products, and should add it over here. It's just 3 products I want, and that's it. That looks like something. Is that publish, and over here that's all fine. Let's edit this. No tutor, no on LinkedIn, Pinterest, no, and not this, not this, and then publish. Over here tags are fine. Let's edit the footer credit bottom. Okay, so here we go. Reest dot us, and publish. Text color should be white. That's looking something, and that's it. Product store. Our photo is ready, and these images are also somehow fine. Let's change this image and this one, so then our stove would be ready. Okay, so now you are supposed to click on this edit with Elementor button. Okay, that's perfect. Now we are supposed to edit this. Okay, let's just remove this section over here, and season sale, that's okay. This link should be going to the shop page. That's it, and update. And over here we are supposed to change this. Let's change this first. Over here you guys are supposed to go to Pexels or Pixabay. These two sites I usually use to get some HD images from here, to put on my sites or on my client sites. So over here I'm just gonna search fashion, or I'm just gonna search men fashion. Okay, here we go, guys. We would be having some stunning and professional pictures with HD quality, which we could get for our site, any of them. Let's go with this one. Okay, this one is fine. We would be going with this one. Just save this and just click on this, and style. Over here just click on this one, and just drop the downloaded picture over here. Somehow picture is uploaded, so just close this one, ignore this, and refresh the tab. and again select this and click on style, select this one, and over here guys, this image has been uploaded. Just it's taking some time, we would compress it later. Okay, insert media. Okay, that's it. Wow, that's something amazing. Okay, that's looking something professional and stunning. Now, okay, let's change this image. I want to change this one first. This image is something decent and looking good. So just click on free download and download. Then click on I'm not report. Then download this image. Finally. Okay, now click on this and style and change this image with this one by dropping the downloaded picture. That's it. Insert media, and it would look like this, which is very much amazing. Oh, that's great. So I'm just gonna add over here shop and then update. We would be deleting these products and adding our new one, but I think that would be enough for this video. Okay, that's it. Update, free shipping worldwide. Okay, return and exchange. That's it for the home page, and maybe that would be enough for this video too. Okay, let me show you the final look of our site. Just remove this. And have a look guys, our site would be like this, raised. And have a look, it is built totally free from Ocean WP and Elementor plugin, and that's really amazing and something stunning. So one thing I wanted to let you know guys, that just remove the products that are demo imported and the post before your site get indexed. So like this, select these all, okay sorry, select these all and move to trash, and then do the same with the products. Move to trash. Okay, like this you're supposed to do the same thing with the products and post, so that your site won't index or Google won't index those pages or the post which are recently imported from the demo of the Ocean WP. So that's it for the video. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you learned something new from this video, make sure to subscribe my channel. Don't forget to let me know in the comment section that what topic you want me to make the next video on our channel. Mic drop. Fin.